Alright. We did a stream with little brother. That was pretty fun. Alright, let's see. What are we talking about today? Oh, this was actually fun. This was actually fun. We were just talking about random things and oh, we got some views. Okay. Perfect. Let's go on Twitter. The video. No loops. No loops opened on Claude. Claude is again the rage right now. The rage right now. Let's get Twitter for 1 hour. And we are here. I'm messing around with this and wow, literally game changing. Lol. Claude bot looks intimidating. It's not. Here's full setup in 30 minutes. Okay. Claude bot. Everyone's talking about Claude bot. Twitter's going crazy. People posting screenshots, inboxes, scheduling meetings, researching companies while they sleep. And you were sitting there wondering if you missed the window. You didn't. Here's how to set it up before the hype dies down and forget. Open source AI assistant that runs 24/7 on a server. You talk to it through WhatsApp or Telegram. It does work. Needs to run somewhere. AWS free tier works. Get a free server. Go to aws.com, create account. Okay. Alright, let's do it. Start free with AWS. Sign up for AWS. Sign into an existing account. I think I have an existing account. Okay, let's go back over here. Search EC2, click launch instance, name it, anything, select Ubuntu. Search free for instance type, pick the 8 GB option, launch. Click your instance ID, connect, click connect twice. You're in terminal, looks scary, it's not. Paste this one line. Wait 2 minutes, that's the only command, everything else is clicking through a wizard. Run the wizard. Wizard starts automatically. Okay, let's do this then. If this is easy, then let's do it. Root user email address. Choose a name for your account. You can change this name in your account. Prashant, verify email address, making sure you're secure. It's what we do. You've sent an email. Okay, let's quickly get this thing done. Okay. Let's sign into my account. Okay. So what do we have now? Oh, it's saying you already have an account. So now I need to find how do we sign up? Account ID or alias. Remember this account. IAM username. So I need to search. How do we get this? Okay. I don't remember my I don't remember my. Authentication failed. Sign in using root user email address. My mail. Next. Password. I don't remember, but let's see. Forgot password. Type the characters NN 2H56. Not a robot. Instructions have been sent to the email. Okay, let's quickly get this done. Let's quickly get this done. Enregistrer. Enregistrer. Aujourd'hui. Notes, Amazon, AWS. Okay, perfect. So this is done now. Sign in using root email. And now CloudBot. Let's go CloudBot. We'll follow this exact article. How to CloudBot. Okay, we are here now. Free, choose free plan, gestionnaire, and now, whoa. Okay, so we still have to do more registration stuff. Okay. I think this is the wrong thing about one password. We don't use one password, but it keeps showing me this weird thing. Yes, that is bad. Nearby AWS region, Calgary region. Okay. So this is what they do, which is really bad. They will ask you for your payment details right away, because then they want you to quickly just click a button and sign up for the paid plans, which is bad. Okay. Confirm your. Okay. Now we have more details. And now they have more details. Let's go. We're here. Claudebot. Are we ready for Claudebot? You're ready for Claudebot. Service menu. Next. Unified search. Next. Unified settings. Done. Account color. Bruh. Give me Claudebot. I don't need color. Okay. Credits remaining. So they have given us $100, 100 USD of free credits. Okay. Days remaining. What does that mean? Oh, so stay close or stay careful. The moment you click this upgrade plan, it just boom. Okay. Just goes, just one click. It will take you there. 183 days remaining. What does it mean by 183 days remaining? Not literally. I just want to know. Before that free access expires, the end date shown is whichever happens first ends the party. You use up to 100 credits or 183 days run out. It doesn't shut anything out dramatically when new usage starts. Billing to a paid plan. Existing resources may continue running and incur charges unless you stop them. Sandbox with a visible hourglass. You can build, experiment, and break things freely, but when the sand runs out, the meter turns on. Before July, set up billing alerts. Periodically check cost explorers of future never opens the list to surprise invoice. How do I set up billing alerts? Whoa, what is that? How do I run billing alerts? Bro. How do I set up billing alerts? In the AWS console. Click, go to billing and cost management. In the left sidebar, budgets, create budget, budgets, and create budget. Choose budget type. My zero spend budget, wow. Choose budget type, period, monthly. Where is this? Budget setup, use a template. Zero spend budget, create a budget that notifies you once your spending exceeds. Okay, budget name, email recipients. Template settings, okay. Budget amount, example $5, early warning, zero spend budget. Create a monthly budget that notifies you if you Billing view optional. What is this? Zero spend budget. Daily savings plan coverage budget. Daily reservation utilization budget. Monthly cost budget. Enter your budget amount, last month's cost, $5. Okay. You can add more later. Set alerts. This is the important part. Alert when actual cost. Separate. Okay. You'll be notified when your actual spend reaches 85%. Your actual spend reaches 100% if your forecasted spend is. Okay, nice. $5. That's not bad. Add your email address, create a budget. Result, you get emails. Creating budget. Okay, this is now healthy status. Now we'll go back into Damien. Let's go Damien player. What a name. Okay, need to run somewhere. All right, search EC2. Perfect. EC2. Yeah, search EC2. Nice. Then click launch instance. Whoa. 181 days remaining. We just went from 183 days to 181 days. What is happening? The service is operating normally. Instance alarm. Okay. All right. Okay. Launch instance. Perfect. Okay. Name it anything. My web. My cloud bot web server. Okay, name it anything. Search Ubuntu. Give me Ubuntu. Okay. Choose an Amazon machine image. Okay. Search free for instance type. Free tier only. Is this instance type? Community. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. Okay, my cloud bot server. Number of instances. This is number of instances. Name it. Select Ubuntu. Okay, so right here. Oh, yes. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Amazon Linux, Mac OS. All right. Select Ubuntu. Next. Search free for instance type. Free tier eligible. Free. Free tier eligible. Search free for instance type, pick the 8GB option. I'm guessing it's this one. Free tier eligible. Okay. Pick the 8GB option. Okay. Launch. Create a key pair, proceed without a key pair. He didn't say anything, so proceed without a key pair. Launch. Click your instance ID. Click connect twice. Click your instance ID. It's funny how I'm literally following what he's doing. Click connect twice. Boom. Connect using a public IP. Connect using a private IP. Username Ubuntu. Boom. Connect. Alright. Establishing connection. My CloudBot web server. You're here. Temperature minus 273, 0 Kelvin. Documentation Ubuntu. Expanded security list available. Okay, cool. You're in a terminal. Looks scary. It's not. Install CloudBot. Paste this one line. Wait 2 minutes. How do we paste? Right here. Boom. Let's go. My CloudBot installer. Let's go. Hey, this was easy. Thank you, Damien Player. Wait 2 minutes. Let's wait 2 minutes. Installing CloudBot. To install node.js, run apt install node.js y. You can use install at runtime as a node.js alternative. I think one interesting thing that is happening is that people are realizing that, again, yeah, anybody can get more technical now. Why? Because things are getting easier. Like the way how Damien Player has laid out everything for us. This is interesting. This is crazy. I need to first of all send to my buddy. That's the only command. Everything else, it's clicking to a wizard. Wizard starts automatically. Select quick start, choose Anthropic. Wizard. I understand this is powerful and inherently risky. Continue. Oh, yes. Onboarding mode. Select quick start. Quick start. Model Anthropic. Claude Code CLI plus API key OpenAI. Codex Minimax. Quen. I actually just want to quickly look at Quen Chat. Alibaba Cloud. Ask Quen no more. Quen Chat. Image generation. How are you different than using Claude or OpenAI? Chat.quen.ai, and it's gonna ask me to, oh, it actually worked. I thought it's gonna ask me to log in first. I'm Quen, LLM by Alibaba's Cloud's Dongi Lab. I'll share some general capabilities, such as answering training data in origin, internal historical data for 24, strong grounding in Chinese multilingual content, including deep integration with Alibaba's e-commerce, finance, logistics, and cloud ecosystems. I wasn't trained using data from other companies' proprietary models. I offer exception support for Chinese, including dialects, while also supporting 100+ languages. Asian global perspectives, not just Western-centric viewpoints. I power real-world applications across Taobao, Tmall, DingTalk, Alibaba Cloud, and more, meaning I'm optimized for tasks like customer service automation, enterprise workflows, e-commerce assistance. Open source versions, on-premise, like others, I include safety filters, but my alignment reflects Chinese regulations and values, which may differ from US-based models. Cost and availability. More effective pricing, especially for high volume. Some versions are optimized, speed and low latency. If I have to choose to live in a city for my future, what city should I pick? That's a weird question, but let's see. If your focus is primarily on Western context, cutting edge multimodal features, or Anthropic's constitutional AI approach, then Claude or OpenAI might suit you better. If you need Chinese, Asian language support, enterprise integration with Alibaba, open source flexibility, cost efficient scaling in Asia, I may be better fit. Best for tech and innovation, Austin. Wow. But rising cost and heat. Stay locked out. Berlin, Germany. Affordable, diverse, strong work-life balance. Berlin. Singapore, ultra-efficient, safe global hub, but expensive and highly regulated. Shenzhen, China. Hardware innovation capital, fast-paced, great infrastructure. Best value, Lisbon, Portugal. Housing pressure is growing. Mexico City, rich culture, low cost, world-class food, plus improving safety. Kuala Lumpur, modern, multicultural, very affordable, English widely spoken. Best for nature plus urban balance. Wow. Vancouver, mountains, ocean, city life, but extremely high housing cost. Copenhagen, Denmark, biking culture, sustainability, high happiness index, though taxes are high. So best for tech innovation is Austin. San Francisco is not mentioned here. Berlin, Germany. Singapore, Shenzhen, China. Best value, Lisbon, Portugal. Best for nature, urban balance, Melbourne. Artsy, livable, great coffee, but far from everywhere else. Best global hubs, London. Finance, culture, Tokyo. Dubai, tax-free income, but hot climate, transient feel. Top picks in Greater China. Hangzhou, Alibaba's home, tech-savvy, beautiful, Westlake, less crowded than Shanghai. Chengdu. Wait, Chengdu I thought is in Bali. Okay. Climate risk, avoid cities with high flood, fire, drought exposure, parts of California, Miami. AI and automation readiness, cities investing in AI infrastructure. Toronto, Seoul, Tel Aviv may offer long-term career advantages. Remote work flexibility. If you can work remotely, consider second-tier cities with charm and lower cost. Porto, Valencia, Chiang Mai. Wow. If you value work-life balance and nature, lean toward Copenhagen, Melbourne, or Vancouver. I've heard about Copenhagen. I think we looked into Copenhagen. That how Copenhagen is good for the community. The community is pretty good over there. Copenhagen, Melbourne, or Vancouver. If you're China-focused, bilingual, Hangzhou or Shenzhen offer incredible momentum. Globally mobile and career-driven, consider Berlin, Singapore, Austin. Wow. Who you are, what you want to become. Interesting. Let's go back over here. Quick start. Synthetic, Anthropic compatible, multimodal. Venice AI is by I forgot his name. Google, Gemini, Copilot, Open Router, Vercel, Moonshot AI, Kimi, ZAI, GLM 4.7. I'm hearing about that. GLM 4.7. What is that? Advancing the coding capability. Open source LLM developed by Zipu. Positioned as a powerful model for coding, reasoning, agentic workflows, long context task. Is not just a minor tweak compared to prior versions. Behavior and capability upgrade aimed at real world developer and agent use cases. Deeper multi-step planning, complex logic handling, and better code generation, refactoring performance. So it's basically, people are talking about it. I thought it was something similar to GLP or Ozempic, but no. Wow. Comparison with ChatGPT and DeepSeek and Anthropic. Why are people not comparing things with the Grok? It's crazy. But it's also comparing with GPT 5.1. Okay. And why Claude Sonnet 4.5? Vibe coding. Cleaner, more modern web pages generates better looking slides with more accurate layout and sizing. Got it at Z.ai. Try it. This is actually beautiful. Okay. Kyoto, Vauxhall Garden. Whoa. Cherry blossom. Okay. Poster showcases. Okay, not bad. Massive improvement. Haute couture. Okay, massive upgrade. What is this? Slide creation showcases. Yes, massive upgrade. Okay, perfect. What else? Open code Zen. Skip for now. No. We want Anthropic. Okay, Damien player, where are you at? Let's go. Quick start, choose Anthropic. Select token paste setup. Token provider. It asks you to run a command on your local computer to get a token. Select token paste setup. Token provider. Okay. It asks you to run a command on your local computer to get a token. Open a new terminal. I don't know what this means. Quick start, choose Anthropic, select token paste setup. Okay. It asks you to run a command on your local computer to get a token. Open a new terminal. Okay. Run. Okay, we got it. No, not this one. This one. Terminal. Cloud setup token. Paste. Not found. Run cloud setup token in your terminal. Then paste the generated token below. Command not found. It asks you to run a command on your local computer to get a token. Open a new terminal. Paste the command. Copy the token back. Okay, now I am stuck. I don't know what to do. It's not running. How do I do this exactly? Clawbot. It's Clawbot. Anthropic server token is going to talk to Claude on your behalf. The token is not your regular API key. One-time setup token. Open a terminal on your local machine. Terminal app. Make sure Claude CLI is installed. Okay, yeah, this is important. So it's not installed. Install it. If it works, great. If it's not installed, install it. Alright. Now do it. Not found. Access token expired or revoked. Please try logging in again. New major version is available. Okay, we at least know something. Alright, let's see. Hey, ChatGPT is here to do the entire thing. So, go. Perfect, the screenshot tells us exactly what's wrong. You didn't mess up, you just ran into a naming trap. Let's untangle it. npm logout. Okay. Install Claude CLI the correct way. What it does. Oh, setting up Claude Code. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Installing Claude Code native build latest. Let's go. Download the Claude CLI binary. Set up nodes. Not yet in your path. Run Claude Code successfully installed. Installation complete. Okay, downloads the Claude CLI binary, installs it into verify installation, version. Whoa. Installation complete. Should see something like this. If it works, you're golden. Generate the setup token. It's not working. I think this is for people who already use Claude Code. So because I'm not using Claude Code, I have to first install Claude Code and then go for Claude Bot. It's actually good news. Install your shell, just can't see it yet. Classic path right of message moment. Let's fix it clearly. Well, your shell doesn't know to look there. The installer literally told you the fix. We just need to do it. Copy paste single command in your terminal. Boom. Done. What this does to your path permanently, reloads your shell, config immediately. Okay, verify Claude is not now available. You cannot code without ChatGPT now. ChatGPT is crazy. ChatGPT is crazy. AI is crazy. We have Claude Code 2.1.19. Let's go. Let's go. Now run. Bro, we did it. We did it. We did it. Oh my god. Welcome to Claude Code. Welcome to Claude Code. Claude Code would like to connect to your Claude chat account. Authorize. Build something great. You're all set for Claude Code. You can now close this window. Long-lived authentication token created successfully. This photo Steve Jobs at home with nothing but his Tiffany lamp. Holds incredible power over the San Franciscoid subconscious, even if they don't know it. Tiffany lamp. This is beautiful. All you need is just one lamp. Hi, Cloudbot. Okay, we are here. We are here. Let's go. We're going to be building so many, what do we say? We're going to be building so many tutorials of how to do things live. Let's see. All right, wizard starts automatically. Select quick start, choose Anthropic, select tokens, paste, setup. Okay, we did that. Select Opus 4.5 as your model. Okay. Token name, default. Select Opus 4.5 as your model. Keep current default. Yes, this is good. Anthropic Claude Opus 4.5. Yes, this is good. Opus is beautiful. Alright. Select Telegram bot as your channel. Telegram bot, WhatsApp, Discord, Google Chat, Slack, Signal, iMessage. Oh, I like iMessage. Nostr, Microsoft Teams, Mattermost, Nextcloud, Blue Bubbles. I would have liked to do iMessage, but let's follow his method first. Open Telegram, search. Open Telegram, search for Botfather. Bot key from Botfather, as far as I know. Botfather. De Marhe. Okay. Send new bot. Alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Name your bot. My Cloudbot. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. Cloudbot bot. Sorry, this username is already taken. Oh no, taken. Cloudbot bot. Bad bot. Cloudbot bad bot. Done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at t.me/cloudbotbadbot. You can now add a description. Okay. Copy the token, paste into wizard. Where's the token? Use this token. Okay, so this must be done very securely. So okay, now what are we looking at? Open Telegram, copy the token, paste into wizard, search. Okay, paste into the wizard, search. User ID bot. User ID bot. Okay. Where do I find user ID bot? Open Telegram, search bot father, send new bot. Name your bot, copy the token, paste in the wizard. Hi. User ID bot doesn't respond. Okay. New bot, delete bot, set user pick. Copy user ID. How do we do that? How do we do that? Configure skills now. Skill status. Eligible. Missing requirements. CloudBot. Updated. JSON workspace sessions. Skills. This makes sure only you can talk to your bot. Paste into wizard. Give it an identity. CloudBot asks you questions in Telegram. CloudBot. Bad bot. Copy the token, paste into wizard. Okay, configure skills now. Yes. Homebrew recommended. Many skills dependencies are shipped by a homebrew. Without brew, you will need to build from source or download releases manually. Many skills dependencies are shipped by a homebrew. Install missing skill dependencies. Okay. Skip for now. Please select at least one options. Skip for now. Set the token. On new bot, follow the prompts. Name plus username ending in bot. Copy the token, store it safely. Optional. Option bot for the settings. Set join groups, allow denying adding the bot to groups. Set privacy control, whether the bot sees all group messages. Configure the token. Set up fast path. In both environment config are set. Config takes precedence. Multi-account support. Continue without installing dependencies. Please select at least one option. Please space to select, enter to submit. So in Google Places for Go Places. So in Google Places for local places. So Gemini API key for Nano Banana Pro. No. No. 11 Labs. Hooks let you automate. No hooks. Defining action that makes your agent you. Please take your time. Control. Okay. Installing gateway service. Gateway service install. Agents main heartbeat interval 1 hour. Heartbeat interval session store. Okay. Missing control UI. Build them with PNPM UI build. Add nodes for extra features. Web UI. Web UI. Gateway, docs. Defining action that makes your agent you. Please take your time. The more you tell it, the better the experience will be. Will send. Wake up, my friend. Token. Da 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 da. How do you want to hatch your bot? Do this later. What now? What people are building. Onboarding complete. Use the tokenized dashboard link above to control the cloud bot. Ask your questions in Telegram. Ooh, oh, the Telegram you. Oh, 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 okay. We'll go over here. Let's see. Claudebot pairing approve Telegram. DM security default is pairing known. Unknown DMs get a pairing code. Start pairing. Simplest way to get started. Register a bot with bot while I get going. Telegram bot API. Open Telegram chat with bot father. Render a copy the token. You can also set Telegram bot token in your environment. Enter Telegram bot token. Selected channels. Claudebot pairing approve Telegram QC Hmm. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Where do I paste the Telegram user ID? Which CloudBot? If nothing shows up, CloudBot simply isn't installed. At that point, you have two likely scenarios. Skip the install, so only copy the pairing instruction, you don't paste that. Okay, what now? What now? What now? I have no idea what CloudBot is. Let's check one. Is to find where CloudBot actually lives before Telegram IDs matter. Confirm. Run these in order. What if I just paste this entire thing? Boom. No CloudBot in path. Okay, what now? Dashboard.cloudbot. Okay. Ooh, when you're ready. CloudBot dashboard. Get the tokenized link anytime. No open. Is this it? Copy that link, open in browser, proofs, Telegram for the dashboard. Tokenized dashboard link. I don't know how to find that. Tokenized dashboard link. I also can't share now because it seems like when you are ready, CloudBot dashboard no open. CloudBot.control.settings. Get the tokenized link anytime. Copy user ID, paste into wizard. Bot father, copy the token, paste into wizard. Okay, we are kind of stuck over here. Okay. Stop typing commands and EC2, open the tokenized. Find me. Find me the tokenized dashboard link. It's not present in the visible portion of your terminal. Shows the message, the reference, but not the link itself. Scrolled off the terminal buffer. Let's try this. Okay, this kind of gave us some stuff. CloudBot pairing approved Telegram. Which CloudBot command? CloudBot CloudBot history. CloudBot. No, open. Check the installer. Found it, scroll nothing, output of directory names, Great, the screenshot actually gives us the missing clue. It's already in shell history because it was printed once during install and never saved as a command. The installer did run. You have stale directories. Search the dashboard URL on CloudBot. Nothing shows up. Rerun the installer. Re-register the gateway. Print a new tokenized dashboard link. Invalidate the old one. Save. This does not harm your EC2 Telegram. It just refreshes the control plane link. Okay, let's see. You're not authorized to use this command. You are not authorized to use this command. Oh no. Oh no. You are not authorized. Please read CloudBot agents can run commands, read, write files, act through any tools you enable. Quick start. Gateway mode, gateway port. Okay, what now? This is interesting. The onboarding flow is paused, waiting for your choice. The tokenized dashboard link is printed after this step completes. Select reset. You already have it highlighted, just press enter. Read on onboarding, the it will print something like this. Config only, Anthropic, this one, token provider, Anthropic. Default is pairing, unknown names get pairing code, approve with CloudBot pairing, approve, channel, code. CloudBot pairing, approve channel, code, not configured yet. Okay. Open Telegram, chat with bot father, run new bot, my bots, copy the token, da 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 da. Enter Telegram bot token. Boom. Telegram, simplest way to get started. Register bot with bot father, get going. A space lobster AI with soul, Peter Steinberger and community. Oh, Peter Steinberger. We just read about Peter Steinberger recently. Peter Steinberger seems to have come out of retirement. Why stop reading code and started watching it stream by? From Swift roots to web frontiers. Interesting. Interesting. Did I say what now? Okay, what now? Now, let's see. Last decision. Select no. So I think last time we selected yes. Now leave npm selected. Now ChatGPT keeps telling me that this is the last step. You reach a skill section screen. So let's skip for now. Okay. Now I think we pretty much did the entire thing again. We're starting the final prompt. No. 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 Come on, logger session memory. Now. So let's skip for now. Gateway is already installed. Restart, reinstall, skip. Now. Quick start uses Node for gateway service. Press enter. Restart. Gateway service restarted. Restarting gateway service. CloudBot gateway. Okay. So I think we have reached that point again. So let's see. Now. Okay, maybe now we can share the screen. How do you want to hatch your bot? What to do now? Use arrow. Open the web UI. Okay. Now. So you need to tunnel the port to your machine. What to do now? Option A, port forward, recommended 30 seconds. On your local machine, not inside AWS, run this. Then open this on your laptop browser. This is what I see now. Web UI. Okay, so basically we had to go over here, or actually here. Société inaccessible. Yes. Type yes. Yes. Permanently added to the list of known hosts. Permission denied. Public key. So what just happened? And while we do that, let's try that. Open this. Boom. Société inaccessible. Error screen normal fixable. You are not stuck. We need the right door key. You are seeing permission denied. SSH reach the server. I don't recognize the key you are offering. This usually happens because your local SSH command didn't use the EC2 pair. Okay. Okay. Fastest on your local machine, run this. If you get permission warning, fix it once. Permission warning, fix it once. No such file or directory. 0 keys. Use instance connect. Since you already logged into it, do this instead. Oh, dashboard link is here to control CloudBot. Or would it work in Safari if you open Safari? Let's see. Ne parviens pas à se connecter au serveur. Dashboard link doesn't open. Doesn't open. Dashboard link doesn't open. Onboarding complete. Use a tokenized dashboard link. Or nothing's broken. The error is expected given how you're connected right now. Let's snap it into place calmly. Okay. It can connect to Data because your laptop. CloudBot dashboard is running on the EC2 instance. Your SSH tunnel did not actually stay open because SSH authentication failed earlier. Okay. Not gonna do that isn't wide yet. Okay. Use AWS Cloud Shell. Recommended no keys, 0 friction. Open AWS Cloud Shell. Right here. Okay. Run this exact command. Preparing your terminal. Text that copies from external sources can contain malicious scripts. Verify. Oh. Paste. Boom. Did it work? While this works is inside AWS's network, is a private IP of your EC2. EC2 Instance Connect allows this. without your local SSH keys. Keeps the tunnel open. No shell, the terminal will look like it's doing nothing. That's correct, leave it open. It looks like it's doing nothing. Leave it open. Okay. Ce site n'est pas accessible. Look like it's doing nothing. Yes, it's doing nothing. The terminal will look like it's doing nothing. That's correct. Leave it open. Okay. Actualize. Analyzing images. Go, go, go. You're almost everything right. Just one sort of networking mismatch. You currently have this running. Connection timed out. Control C. And Cloud Shells chain on the EC2 instance connect SSH page. What does it say? Stop Cloud Shell tunnel. Okay. J on the EC2 instance connect SSH page. The black terminal you already have open. In the EC2 terminal, run this. Let's scroll up in the EC2 output and notice this line already shown. Open the web UI. Yes, we did see that. The problem is it takes you here. Web UI. Control UI. Dashboard. Okay. Quick open. CloudBot command not found. Is it going somewhere? Are we going somewhere? What is happening? What is happening? This page isn't opening up. Okay. Peter Steinberger. What is happening? I'm guessing is using ChatGPT Atlas the problem over here? I'm thinking. Find how the gateway started. Run this. Kill the gateway. Okay. Verify it's gone. Okay. Restart the gate with public binding. I hope we are getting somewhere. Kill both. Confirm nothing is running. Something is happening. Something weird is happening. It didn't kill, I created new stuff. Stop, breathe. You're already across the finish line. You just didn't realize it. Nothing else needs the key fact you missed in your browser window itself. Where is it? CloudBot control UI. Scroll up inside the page. Oh. What? Amazon Q. Where is the CloudBot control UI? Not useful. Scroll up inside the page, not the terminal. This is the key move most people miss. Put your mouse outside the terminal. Scroll up the page. Above the terminal output, you will see a web panel. Agent mode. Whoa. What was that? 400 left. Find me the CloudBot control UI. On the control, I want to do a careful job over here. Initializing state. Correct environment before I proceed. Looking for the UI. Let's see if we can access the UI above the code snippet. Let's scroll, so no searching outside. Content into the view. I can open directly. They want to see the control. I'm going to be able to open the link. Should I create a tab for it? Final approach, capturing screenshot or citation. Okay. Something happened. Dashboard. Control UI. Something weird is happening. Okay. Okay. Maybe what we need to do is let's find the Telegram one gateway token. And this is very weird. Telegram and approve code. Is this syntax error? I just want to paste my Telegram user ID and pairing code. Tell me how. let's follow what it's saying. Alright, let's see. Wow. Do we need to ask anyone for help? Because right now it seems like we're going into circles. I think I could just call my friend right now. And we'll figure this out. Okay. This is the end of stream. I'll call